So, it will be a favor for me. Here's the thing though. He wanted me to react to a second episode of a series called Two Plumbers and One Roommate. Well, I'm going full on hashtag rebellion watching both the episodes. So, welcome back to episode 2 of Sonic's Reacts. Let's get it. Episode 1, Two Plumbers, One Roommate, a new beginning. Let's get it.
Sure. Hi, my name is Abel. I moved into this house since when I get into town. My new house is amazing, but it's, I have to live. Their names are Mario and Luigi, and honestly, I like them. I love their games, I love their toys. They're organized, they're amazing. But they moved into my house, so we're roommates now.
Ouch.
Mario! Yo, what's up, man? What's going on? Tell me why there's an empty box of Hot Pockets. Abel, I have nothing to do with this, okay? I haven't eaten the last Hot Pocket. Okay, wise guy, if you haven't eaten my last Hot Pocket, then who's dead? It was Luigi. Wait, what?
Hey, Luigi.
Oh, is that right?
Yep.
Hold on, Abel! Only talk one line!
One bite, huh? Tail.
Yeah, after I punched him, I took him to our hospital a little bit.
Ouch.
Cause I punched him in the nose.
And he got what he wanted.
You know what really got me stressed me out? Number one, they eat everything in the house. Number two, they embarrassed me. I think she liked you.
Whoa! Evil, what did you say there, man? It's supposed to be a PG show. Jeez, Evil, what the fish?
You know what's the worst part? Oh, I'll tell you the worst part. They're mean to me.
I wonder why.
Have a great day, neighbor. You too, my little bitch.
Hey, whoa! You know kids heard that. You know, I heard that. We all know what he said. And Mario, what the fish? Man.
But over and all, we're really great roommates. We
Yeah.
have great times together, but they always here for me when I'm down or mad. I think they are my best friends no matter what. But you know what? Friendship matters. And yeah, that concludes it. Are we done? Yeah, it's done. Good. I need some water.
Alright, so, that was episode, one of the, available series. So, he made episode 2, and they have my show. Yeah, featuring Sonic and Bendy Plus Adventure, which is me. Okay, so before I start the episode, if the quality of my me, Bendy's, and Gino's voices are kind of terrible because that's because we voice recorded it, sent it to Abel, and then he did it. So yeah, so I hope you understand it. If you don't, I'll just say, I want to just sing.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you? I'm the local friend from elementary school, and I thought I wouldn't make fun of my channel.
Yeah,
Then we introduced-
second grade.
I got that idea from the comic, so all the rest was history.
When Gia introduced me to Bendy, he's a cool guy. But, sometimes he takes it way too personal.
Oh. I could see. What are you doing? Ah! Sonic, yeah!
And that's Bendy.
What? No, I didn't answer.
This is going on Instagram.
It will be not posted on Instagram. It's privacy.
Too late. I already posted.
Hey, Bo, get over here. Don't run away from me, coward.
You know what's the stupidest thing about it? You always complain always of his fucking chili dog.
Hey! It's chili dogs. They're really good.
You guys, can I ask something, you guys? Which one are you eating chili dogs yesterday?
Not me. I'm a picky eater. I don't like the texture.
True though, Jill is a picky eater.
Bendy?
Hey, don't look at me. I didn't eat your stupid hot dog.
It's not just a hot dog.
Just make your own hot dog. It's not a big of a deal.
It is a big omelet. Well, you actually had a good point. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, not Amy. What's she calling me?
Oh, come on, Sonny. She's your girlfriend.
It was just a hiccup. Well, see you later.
Okay, you know what? If it was you and Abel, I'm coming to your house. Hey, hold on. So, that was both the episodes. They're really short, but they're really good. I hope you heard my voice, Bendy and Jill's, because we had to send audio recordings. The whole thing about Bendy looking at all his pictures, it's really true though. No, I don't. Yes, you do. Don't lie. So yeah, I hope you like my reaction of Abel's new show. So have a good day, and he better watch what he's saying because it's supposed to be a PG 13 or just a PG channel. Although sometimes these videos are not targeted for kids, so this is not targeted for kids. YouTube, you better understand that, because if you do, I'm hunting you down. Yep, anyways, I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you stay tuned for Project Ultra Instinct for next episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Abel. He should get more videos or more subscribers than me, because his editing skills are really great. But stay tuned for more episodes on Project Ultra Instinct. I will be releasing a actual video on that show. These were just plot points. The videos I were uploading were plot points to the show. But yeah, I would be releasing a full video and a video before Sonic Plays Geometry Dash. So yeah, stay tuned for Project Ultra Instinct. Subscribe to Abel, and don't forget to subscribe to Gilby0123. He should be uploading more videos next time. But yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.